Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janae Mickles. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on this blonde wig from Eva Wigs. The length is 16 inches and it is a full lace wig. So there's like no tracks in this wig whatsoever, so you can part it anywhere you would like. And also the density on this wig is 180. So in this clip right here, you guys will see that I'm dyeing the roots. I did use 7AA with 20 volume by Wella. And I'm putting this on the roots about an inch or an inch and a half down, and I'm just going section by section to do that. For the ends, I did use T11 by Wella with 20 volume as well. And sorry that it's out of focus, but literally all I did was apply that color to the ends, and I just blended it in with the root color. So I already have my hair going back into braids, and I'm going to put on my stocking cap. So I'm not going to do the ball cap method. I was trying to do this super quick. I am using my liquid foundation and a brush to apply that to the wig cap, and I also applied that inside of the wig as well.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent.
So I usually don't put my wigs on like this, but I want to try something different. So I'm just cutting off the lace while the wig is on my head.
So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. 'Cause I'm more than just a woman.
And to secure it, I'll be using my Got To Be glue in the black tube and also my freeze spray. So I kind of go back and forth with the two.
I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, 'cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. 'Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. More than just a woman. I'm more than just.
So right here, I just took a small piece of the hairline out and I cut about an inch or less off. And then I just hot combed the rest going back so it can be super sleek and I can get that other hair out of my way. And to lay down the baby hairs, I am still using that Got To Be glue in the black tube.
I got all these dimensions. 'Cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions.
So I sprayed some of my Sebastian Shaper on the roots just so the hot comb can make the hair super flat. And I'll link this hot comb down below. It's from Target. So I already went ahead and straightened the hair. I didn't record that because I felt like it would have been kind of boring. But yeah, I went ahead and straightened the hair and I just added that same liquid foundation in the part area to make it look a little more realistic. And now I'm just going to take my iron and curl it. I do have it all the way up on 450. And yeah, I'm basically just curling the hair to give it some body.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll make sure that I have all the links for this hair listed down below. Thank you, Eva Wigs, for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're